Welcome to Take 5, Day 15. We are going to start on our hands and knees, moving laterally on the mat. In 4, 3, 2, hit it. All right, so hands and knees position, lift up those knees, walk to one side. Now hover, 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 good. Exhale, walk to the other side. Now core should start to work, legs should start to work. You should start to work. Good, bring it back. All right, guys, we got one more round to make it 3 total, okay? So bear crawl, lateral movement to the one side. Get there, and then lateral movement, bear crawl, back. Get there, get there. Good, exhale down. Perfect, flip over onto that back. All right, so pull both knees to chest, exhale, reach. Pull both knees to chest, reach. In, reach. If that's too hard, put your head down or don't reach your legs all the way out, maybe just halfway out, okay? You got 4, bring it in. 3, make it tight. 2, one more time. Good, now hover, ready, set, hold. 4, 3, 2, and up. Good, rock it all the way up. Take a quick flip over, forearm plank, okay? So both forearms are gonna lower down to that mat. Curl your toes, lift your butt. Now drop both feet to the right. Good, exhale, dip your hips. 8, 7, 6, you've seen this one before. Good, 4, 3, come on, 2, 1. And I do like to repeat a few exercises because I wanna see if you're getting stronger and if you notice that you're better at them. Drop them to the left. Good, lift and lower. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, 1. Perfect, center, hold, exhale, lower, tops of the feet, lower. Good, now bring it all the way down from there. Okay, elbows at 90. Bring the body up and down. So we're adding in a little bit of back extension, which you've done before. Again, super important. The stronger your core is, the more you can get your body off the ground without momentum. So core strength. Give me 8, 7, greater lung capacity when you're on your belly, breathing and moving. Yes, so good for you. Final 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Exhale, press it all the way up to plank. Good. Strong hold here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Lower one knee. Other hand down. Reach over your head. Lift your leg. Exhale, squeeze. 7, 6, 5, 4. When I ask you to do this in plank, it's going to be a lot harder. 2, 1. Switch sides. Hand comes down, leg goes out. Reach overhead. Let's do this. Squeeze. Squeeze. Good. 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Same thing on your palm. If that hurts too much, forearm. Ready, set. 8, 7, 6. That was just a warm up, right? 5, 4, 3, control, 2, hold it, 1, flip it, plank, left side, or excuse me, right side, depending on whatever side you started on, actually. Reach overhead, 8, 7, 6, yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more time, woo, 1, hold it, good, have a seat on the ground. Nice job. Now, lay all the way down. Good, and then pull it in. Push. Pull in. Push. Good. 4. Reach. 3. Reach. 2. Reach. 1. Ready? Hover. 10, 9, 8, 7. This is where you get those shakes in 5, 4, 3, 2, bring it in, push it out, bring it in, push it out. Can you hold one more time? Bring it in,
All right, push it out. This is it. Hover. Scoop that belly. Hover. Yes. Get those shakes. Make it tough. Come on. Hold. Done. Woo. Hug those knees to chest. Way to go. Day 15, you rocked it out. After tomorrow, you're over halfway. Thank you so much for taking 5 minutes of your day with me. See you tomorrow.